This is the Watch GT2, Huawei's latest smartwatch. I'm using the previous version Watch GT for a year now, and the new GT2 is the same but with lots of upgrades. In this video, I'll be doing my personal review. Let's check it out. I'm using the 46mm model. The Watch GT2 also comes in a 42mm model. The 46mm weighs around 41 grams and the 42mm weighs around 29 grams. Inside the box, there is a charging cradle, USB charging cable, and user manuals and warranty cards. I have here the fluorine rubber strap. There is a metal strap variant as well as a leather variant available too, in which fluorine rubber strap is provided as a gift. The watch looks like a regular watch, but it's more elegant than the previous version. The watch straps are comfortable as I'm using it regularly for almost full day. It doesn't hurt. The dial of the watch is made of steel, which adds its premium look. The GT2 comes in a 1.39-inch AMOLED screen. The best part is adopting the 3D glass screen in a smartwatch is a new step in the industry. The display is vibrant and sharp. Even under the sun, the display was visible, which I like the most. Huawei Watch GT2 offers a highly accurate touch response for an unparalleled visual experience. As far as the battery is concerned, even in the variables, the Huawei is still the best. With 445 mAh battery, the lower consumption system, Huawei GT2 provides a longer battery life to keep up with wherever you go. With the continuous heart rate monitoring on all the time and full day receiving all the notification plus some daily workouts, I was getting more than 10 days of backup. But the company says we can get around 14 days of charge with typical usage. The Watch GT2 is powered by Huawei's in-house wearable chipset, the Kirin A1. The GT2 now has the inbuilt speaker, which is quite a good thing. It also has a 4GB of internal memory in which you can store up to 500 songs. By connecting your favorite set of Bluetooth headphones, you can enjoy the music from your favorite list without the phone when running or jogging. Thanks to the Bluetooth calling feature on Huawei Watch GT2, you can make or receive calls during sports or when your hands are occupied. The interface is quite simple and clean. You just need to swipe left or right for different menus, swipe from the bottom for the notifications, and swipe from the top for quick settings. There are two buttons provided, same as the GT watch. The upper key triggers to open up the feature and settings of the watch, and the lower key is used for the workouts, but the finest thing is the button can be customizable as per your requirements. Watch GT2 has the inbuilt GPS and it's accurate too. The Watch GT2 comes with 15 sports tracking, though I'm using it only for walking and jogging and some home exercises. It has a continuous heart rate monitoring system, which I think is accurate. It also gives plenty of information about the workouts, which is helpful. Sleep tracker, stress tracker, breathing exercises, the Watch GT is the complete package. Huawei's health app makes the watch more commandable by giving a lot of info about your health. It also merges the data from the watch when you connect it with Bluetooth. By this, the watch works more independently. I was comfortable to wear the watch while sleeping as well. The sleep tracker and heart rate monitoring was continuously working. I was connecting the Bluetooth on the next day morning, so the datas were getting synced with the health app. The health app has some settings by which you can customize the watch a little. Overall, the watch has impressed me a lot. With the best display, build quality, inbuilt speakers, the GT2 is really the best as per the current market. The best highlight of the watch is its battery. a regular watch with fitness tracking and the health app, the Huawei GT2 brings a lot of value for money. I'll put down the Best Buy links, so don't forget to check that out. Do let me know your views on this watch. Do you think the watch is worth the money? Let me know your take on it. That's it from me today. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll meet you soon in the next video. Until then, this is Manish signing off.